Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see class 4 standard subject maths board metric chapter 2 time. So in chapter 2 time exercise 2.2 convert into days. So we are going to convert this into days. So they are given in months. So you know already 1 month equal to how many days? But here we are taking 1 month equal to 30 days. But in 1 month equal to 30 or 31. But in February 28 and 29 will take. But here if you are going to, if you want to convert this, you can take 1 month equal to 30 days. 1 month equal to how many days? So we are going to convert into days. So they have given 11 months. So how will you convert 1 month equal to 30 days? So 11 months equal to, so you have to multiply 11 into 30. So if you multiply 11 into 30, you will get the answer. So how many days? So tell me. So 11 into 3, 33. Then you can write the 0. So how many days? So 11 months equal to 330 days. So 11 months equal to 330 days. Next one, 3 years 200 days. 3 years 200 days. So listen children, we are going to convert into days. This is already in days. Okay, this is already in days. So 3 years alone we are going to convert. So 1 year equal to how many days? 1 year equal to, so in exercise 2.1 I told you 1 year equal to how many days? 365 days. 1 year equal to 365 days. So we are going to convert 3 years equal to how many days, and then we are going to add with 200 days. Then we will convert this into days. So 3 years 200 days equal to 3 into 365. 3 into 365 days plus 200 days. So multiply and tell me 3 into 365. So if you multiply 365 into 3, 3 5s are 15. So 5, 1 carry over, 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 1, 19. So 9, 1 carry over, then 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. 3 5s are 15, 5, 1 carry over, next 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 1 is 19. So 9, 1 carry over, then 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So how many days? 1095 days plus 200 days. So if you add 1095 plus 200, add and tell me. 1095 plus 200. So 1295. So how many days children? How many days? 1295 days. So 3 years 200 days equal to 1295 days. Equal to 1295 days. You can write this as answer. Next one. So 1 month 28 days. We are going to convert into days. So 1 month equal to how many days? 1 month equal to 30 days. 1 month equal to 30 days. So we are going to convert 1 month and then 28 days. See, this is already in days. We are going to convert this month alone into days, and then we are going to add. So 1 month 28 days equal to, so 1 into 30 plus 28 days. So what is 1 into 30? 1 into 30 is 30. So 30 days plus 28 days. So what is 30 plus 28? 30 plus 28 is 58 days. 30 plus 28 is 58 days. So tell me the answer. 1 month 28 days equal to 1 month 28 days equal to how many days? 1 month 28 days equal to 58 days. Next one, convert into weeks and days. Convert into weeks and then days. So they have given in days. We are going to convert into weeks and days. You know already 1 week equal to how many days, children? 1 week equal to 7 days. 1 week equal to how many days? 7 days. 1 week equal to 7 days. So 12 days equal to how many week, then how many days? So if you divide by 7, you will get the answer how many weeks, how many days. So 12 days equal to 12 divided by 7. So divided by 7. So 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. So if you subtract 12 minus 7, 5. So this is week, and then the quotient is week, and then the remainder is days. The quotient is the week, the remainder is days. So how many week, how many days? 1 week, 5 days. 1 week and then 5 days. So 12 days equal to how many weeks? 12 days equal to 1 week and then 5 days. 1 week and then 5 days. Next one, 78 days. So 1 week equal to how many days, children? 1 week equal to 7 days. 1 week equal to 7 days. So we are going to convert 78 days into weeks and then days. So what we have to do? We are going to divide it by 7. So 78 days equal to 78 divided by 7. So if you divide by 7, the quotient is the week and the remainder is the days. So you divide 78 by 7. So see, the divisor is equal to the first digit. So we'll take 7 ones are 7. So if you subtract 7 minus 7 is 0. Next we'll carry 8. So how many times again? 7 ones are 7. So 8 minus 7 is 1. So how many weeks, how many days, children? 11 weeks. So this is the week, this is the days. I told this is the week, this is the remainder is days. So how many weeks? 11 weeks, then 1 day. 11 weeks and then 1 day. So the answer is 78 days equal to 11 weeks and 1 day. 11 weeks and then 1 day. Next, 245 days. So we are going to convert this days into weeks. So 1 week equal to how many days, children? 1 week equal to 7 days. 1 week equal to 7 days. So 245 days equal to 245 days equal to 245 divided by 7. 245 divided by 7. So if you divide by 7, you will get how many weeks, then how many days. So listen, 2 we can't take because it is less than the divisor. So we'll take 24. So tell me in 7 tables, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. So we'll take 7 threes are 21. So if you subtract 4 minus 1 is 3, then 2 minus 2 is 0, next we will carry 5. So 35 how many times children? 5 times. So 7 5s are 35. So 35 minus 35 is 0. So how many weeks, how many days? Here the remainder is 0. So there is no days, okay, only weeks alone. So how many weeks? 35 weeks. 245 days equal to 35 weeks. There is remainder is 0, so there is no days. So answer 245 days equal to 35 weeks. 245 days equal to 35 weeks. Next one, convert into months and days. Convert into months and then days. So 1 month equal to how many days children? 1 month equal to 30 days. 1 month equal to 30 days. So we are going to convert 360 days into months. They have given in days. We are going to convert into months. So what we have to do? We have to divide it by 30. Okay, we have to divide it by 30. So 360 days equal to 360 divided by 30. So the quotient is the months and the remainder is the days. So shall we divide this? 360 divided by 30. So we'll take 2 digit because here 2 digit is there, divisor is 2 digit. So 30 ones are 30. So if you subtract 6 minus 0 is 6, then 3 minus 3 is 0. Next we'll carry this 0. So 60 is 30 2s are 60. So listen children, here the remainder is 0. So there is no days, only the months. So how many months? 12 months. So 360 days equal to how many months? 12 months. How many months? 12 months. So answer, you can write 360 days equal to 12 months. 360 days equal to 12 months. So next one, 155 days. So 1 month equal to how many days? 1 month equal to 30 days. 1 month equal to 30 days. So we are going to convert 155 days into months. Okay. So what we have to do? We are going to divide it by 30. We are going to divide it by 30. So 155 divided by 30. Shall we divide this? Yes. So 155 by 30. So how many times shall we take? If you take 2 digit, it is less than the divisor. So we will take 3 digit and then check. So 30 ones are 30, 32s are 60, 33s are 90, then 34s are 120, then 35s are 150. 35s are 150. So if you subtract 5 minus 0 is 5, then 5 minus 5 0, 1 minus 1 0. So can you tell me how many months and then how many days? So there is 5 months. How many days children? 5 months and then 5 days. I told you this is quotient is month and then the remainder is days. So we will write answer 155 days equal to how many months? 5 months. 5 months and then 5 days. How many months? 5 months and then 5 days. Next one, 48 days. So we are going to convert 48 days into months. So tell me 1 month equal to how many days? 1 month equal to 30 days. 1 month equal to 30 days. So 48 days equal to we have to divide it by 30. We have to divide by 30. So if you divide by 30, so we have to take 2 digit. How many times, children? 30 ones are 30. So if you subtract, 8 minus 0 is 8, then 4 minus 3 is 1. So what is this? This is month, and then this is, the remainder is days. So how many months, how many days? So 48 days equal to 1 month and then 18 days. 1 month, 18 days. So answer, 48 days equal to 1 month and then 18 days. The remainder is days. The quotient is the month. Next one, convert into months. Convert into months. 1 year equal to how many months, children? 1 year equal to 12 months. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So 1 year equal to how many months? 1 year equal to 12 months. 1 year equal to how many months? 12 months. So they are asking 4 years equal to how many months? So 1 year is 12 months. 4 years is, we are going to multiply 4 into 12. So 4 years equal to 4 into 12 months. So what is 4 into 12? 4 12s are, can you tell me 4 12s are? 4 12s are 48. How many? 4 12s are 48. So 4 years equal to how many months, children? 48 months. How many months? 48 months. So 4 years equal to 48 months. 4 years equal to 48 months. Next one, 2 years 2 months. See, listen children, here this is already in months. So we are going to convert this years alone into month, then we can add this. Okay. So 1 year equal to how many months? 1 year equal to 12 months. 1 year equal to 12 months. So 2 years 2 months equal to, if we are going to multiply 2 into 12 plus we are going to add this 2 months. We are going to add this 2 months. So 2 12s are 24. 2 12s are 24. So 24 plus 2. What is 24 plus 2, children? 24 plus 2 is 26 months. So how many months? 2 years 2 months equal to 26 months. How many months? 26 months. So we can write answers 2 years 2 months equal to 26 months. Next one, 6 years 4 months. We are going to convert into months. So 6 years alone we are going to convert into months. Then we can add that. Okay. So 1 year equal to how many months? 1 year equal to 12 months. 1 year equal to 12 months. So 6 years equal to 6 years 4 months equal to, so we are going to multiply 6 into 12. 6 into 12 plus 4 months plus 4 months. Can you tell me 6 12s are? 6 12s are 72. 6 12s are 72. So 72 plus 4 months, add and tell me. 72 plus 4 is 76 months. How many months? 76 months. So tell me 6 years 4 months equal to how many months? 6 years 4 months equal to How many months, children? 76 months. Next one, convert into years and months. So we are going to convert into years and then months. How many years? So what we have to do? 1 year equal to how many months? 1 year equal to 12 months, but they have given in months here. So we are going to convert how many years and then how many months. So we are going to divide this by 12, then we will get how many years, how many months, because they have given in months. So 1 year equal to 12 months. So 25 months equal to 25 divided by 12. So if you divide by 12, how many times in 12 table? 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 twos are 24. So subtract 5 minus 4 is 1. So the quotient is years and then the remainder is month. The quotient is year and then the remainder is month. So how many years, how many months? This is 25 months equal to 2 years and then 1 month. 2 years, 1 month. So answer 25 months equal to 2 years then 1 month. 2 years and then 1 month. Next, 64 months. So 1 year equal to how many months, children? 12 months. 1 year equal to 12 months. So listen, 64 months equal to, what we are going to do? We are going to divide it by 12. So if you divide it by 12, then you will get the years and then months. So divided by 12, how many times? 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, then 12 fives are 60, 12 fives are 60. So subtracted 4 minus 0 is 4, then 6 minus 6 is 0. So how many years, how many months, children? How many years, how many months? 5 years and then 4 months. How many years? 5 years and then 4 months. So answer 64 months equal to 5 years and then 4 months. So 64 months equal to 5 years, 4 months. I hope you all understood. So exercise 2.2 we have completed. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.